Hello kids! Welcome back to our learning channel. Today we are going to learn something new and exciting, present continuous and past continuous tenses. So are you ready? Let's begin our fun journey. Actions that continue for some time are said to be in continuous form. The action may be happening in the present or may have happened in the past. Continuous tense verbs always end with ing. Examples: I am playing Animal Crossing right now. Present continuous. Stephen was studying the whole day. Past continuous. The present continuous tense tells us three main things. 1. About any action that is happening at the moment and is incomplete. Examples: I am eating an apple. I am playing tennis. I am running on the field. 2. About actions or situations that are thought to be of a shorter duration. Examples: what is she doing now? She is learning a new dance form. My father is working in London. 3. About activities or events that are fixed plans for the near future. Examples: we are going out tomorrow. We are playing basketball later tonight. I am taking a train to go to Delhi. Dice. Let's solve activity A. Now it's practice time. Fill in the blanks with the correct continuous form of the verbs. Walk. I am walking to the playground. Leave. My sister is leaving for London. Listen. She is listening to the news. Arrive. The train to Mumbai is arriving from platform number 5. Perform. Charan is performing a dance tonight. Go. We are going to watch the football match. Read. Shivam is reading a travel book. Reread these sentences and understand them. Dice. Let's solve activity B. Now, let's change these sentences from simple present to present continuous. The moon revolves around the earth. The moon is revolving around the earth. My sister sings a song at the Christmas concert. My sister is singing a song at the Christmas concert. I water the plants on the balcony. I am watering the plants on the balcony. Haider reads a lot of interesting books. Haider is reading a lot of interesting books. We hope to complete the assignment on time. We are hoping to complete the assignment on time. Now, let's learn about the past continuous tense. It tells us 1. About an action that was continuous in the past. Example: Shivam was playing basketball for hours yesterday. 2. About two or more actions happening at the same time in the past. Examples: Charan was cleaning his room and his sister was studying. This morning, I was eating breakfast and my mom was cooking. Dice. Let's solve past continuous. Let's practice together. Use the past continuous form of the verbs. A. Write sentences using the given verbs. Work, play, sing, sleep, happen. Examples: I was working on my homework yesterday. My brother was playing football last evening. She was singing beautifully on stage. We were sleeping during the afternoon. Something strange was happening in the park. B. Fill in the blanks using past continuous tense. Take: I was taking a shower at 7 a.m. this morning. Watch: my brother was watching the football match with his friends. Spend: we were spending the evening on a beach last Sunday. Learn: Shivam was learning Spanish last year. Go: we were going to school at 8:30 a.m. yesterday. See, correct the errors. I were playing basketball now. I was playing basketball now. We were studying last night. We were studying last night. I am flying kites yesterday. I was flying kites yesterday. They was cooking for their parents. They were cooking for their parents. Haider was learning a new language now. Haider is learning a new language. Now, let's revise what we learned today. Present continuous shows actions happening right now or fixed future plans. Past continuous shows actions that were happening in the past, sometimes at the same time. Both tenses use verbs with ing forms. Great job, kids! Today you learned about present continuous and past continuous tenses with examples and exercises. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. See you next time with another exciting lesson. Bye, kids! Bye! Thanks for watching!